Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate CNN Go step by step clearly. To activate CNN Go, begin by downloading the CNN app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app on your device. You will be greeted with the main screen of the app. Look for the option to sign in or activate your account. Tap on the Sign In or Activate button. You will be prompted to select your TV provider. Scroll through the list and find your cable or satellite provider. Select your provider from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in with your provider credentials. If you do not have a cable subscription, you may be prompted to sign up. Once logged in, you may receive an activation code. Note this code as you'll need it for the next step. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the activation website displayed in the CNN app. Enter the activation code in the designated field. Click on the Submit or Activate button. After a moment, you should see a confirmation message on your screen. Return to the CNN app. You should now have full access to CNN Go content. Enjoy watching your favorite CNN shows and live news broadcasts. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and retry the steps. For further assistance, visit the CNN Help Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.